Finally, there is peace in the Middle East. Mr. Donald Trump, he sealed historic Gaza ceasefire deal in Egypt. You heard that right, in a dramatic turn that few saw coming. US President Donald Trump has announced what he calls a new dawn for peace in the Middle East. Standing in Cairo alongside diplomats from Egypt, Turkey, and even Qatar, Trump signed a document marking a major ceasefire deal in Gaza, a move that could end months of deadly fighting between Israel and Hamas. Mr. Trump, the man who has long promised to bring stability in the region, declared with his signature flair, "This is the day people across the world have been waiting and praying for." The agreement, brokered after weeks of secret talks in Cairo and Doha, reportedly includes a full halt to rocket attacks and airstrikes, gradually reopening of the Gaza borders, and a joint rebuilding initiatives for the war-torn strip. Here, sources say that Egypt played a very important role as a main mediator, while Qatar helped push through a financial and humanitarian terms on that particular deal. On the other side, we have Turkey. Turkey is expected to monitor compliance alongside the UN observers, a rare show of cooperation among regional powers often at the odds. Well, the US delegation has hinted that this ceasefire could be the very first step towards a broader recovery plan. Basically, a roadmap for Gaza's reconstruction, humanitarian aid delivery, and possibly even political talks between Israel and Palestinian leaders. You know what? If implemented successfully, then this could be Mr. Trump's biggest foreign policy victory since the Abraham Accord. But experts remain very cautious also. Similar peace announcements have come and gone before, collapsing under the pressure and mistrust. Still, this deal stands out because it brings multiple Middle Eastern rivals together on the table, something that hasn't happened in many years. As the dust settles, still one question remains. Is this truly peace or just another pause before the next storm?